We do today. Oh, I know. We should call her. Hey, Rizel, come here. Hey, Rizel, can you teach us how to raise a girl?
Sure. First, let's raise a bisexual before a normal girl. Hey, baby girl, you wanna go on a date?
She got rejected. Oh. Okay, next up, her. Can you read her?
Yeah, sure, can read that. Hey, baby girl, you wanna go on a date? Wow! Adi wow! Ganda mo na!
Tumatayo siya sa... Ay, ganyan.
Pero alam mo, sabi nila mukha daw tong ano. Oo.
Ben, layo, kala ko ano?
Kala ko.
Okay. Can you teach us how to raise a dog?
How to raise a dog? Hey, doggy, you wanna come with me? Takala mo.
Tinakasan mo nga aso. Bobo kasi ayaw siya. Ay, joke lang. Ay, dog, can you teach us how to raise a quiet girl?
Sure. Gusto mo pumunta sa wakal? Tayo doon. Ano tinatalon mo?
Riz nga, di ba?
Wait lang, kasi nandito ka sa rin. Wanna go on a date with me? No. Di wow!
Mukha lang, mukha ng rejected. Ako naman.
Pinakaba na itong short natin.
I'ma teach you how to raise a girl.
Yeah.
And different types of gender
Girls.
quality para hindi tayo maging sexual.
Sexual abusement yan. Ay, kakadiri yung fingers mo.
First, we're gonna raise a quiet girl that is using her phone.
Iyak. Gut.
What's up, baby girl?
Di ka pinansin. Rejected.
Grabe ka sa akin.
Para mo kang rejected.
Ano, what do you want me to do?
I want you to sigot that what's on your mouth.
Ay! Okay.
Ikakat mo yun ha. Kaya siguro namumula yung isa mong bata. Baka nadinilip ka be. So, raise another girl.
Alam ko na.
Raise down besties.
Different video. Parang kakaba naman ko sasabihin mo.